What's up everybody, it's Jasmine and today we're going for another walk with that sausage dog. That's my new best friend, so I'm really excited. And then afterwards me and my mum are going to the old lady's house and having tea. Oh, but before then I'm gonna take the dog to my apartment so that the dog knows what my apartment looks like and stuff. So, but then we're gonna tell the old lady that we were outside the whole time. So we're gonna do like a big lie and it's gonna feel really good. You're a good boy, you're a good boy, you're a good boy. Sluta, nej vi gör inte det, nej. Oh, you're like a magician. Woo. Okay, I'm coming, Fray. Don't you worry. Old Jesse's gonna keep up with you yet. You made this. Color is the rocks and the leaves. It's pretty cool. Fray, we go down this way. Yeah, good boy. Aww. Are you almost ready to go to the lady's house? Cool. Fray is so happy.